wannan da tura maka nan su ne masu ɗayan jaka biyu ne ɗayan kuma ɗaya babba to amma dukkan sun hada su 5 kg guda biyar ɗugo amma suna cikin wayan guda biyu ne wannan babba ne da wannan
akwai da an hada biyu a hade
ina ga ɗayan da an hada uku ne a ce
bari wani da duka is up to 25
duka is 25
but one is not
masu dot nan ba su ne 5
to su ne za a yi testin na
kashi biyu nan su ne masu dot nan su ne za a yi testin na a gan su a gan su dot na gashi wannan kuma dot na shi gashi su ne za a su kuma su biyu ne don kada su ɗayan biyu ne a haɗe ɗayan kuma ɗaya ne babba there are 3 bags so but ɗaya biyu a ɗaya ɗaya kuma ɗaya amma total loss is 5 kg
amma sauran da existing single
sauran ma akwai wanda biyu a haɗe ne haka yadda dai suka zo da shi da mu ba mu taba ba exactly yadda aka yi recovery haka shi wannan shi ne guda wannan taxi daga yan kuma
okay please
10
good
shi ba da ba
in the office
no wahala
paid dummies. He also brought with him the money for the sale of 5 kg share of the NDLEA team, a total sum of $61,400. Our officer, however, preferred to take the money inside where the car was wired with hand and video recorders. And the moment was documented, part of it I'll play for you at the end of this.
You're on live to GTV Africa, live from NDLEA head office. At this point, a shocking, breaking story that is out is that NDLEA has just declared DCP Abba Kyari wanted for drug-related offences. You're on live to GTV Africa. Kindly share and comment. Continue to follow.
The members of whom he described this way, the boys are very, very sharp. They are very loyal. It is disheartening to hear him say of this rogue team, and I quote, "I do take good care of them, and this kind of work is done by only that team." It is equally disheartening to hear him give details of another similar operation which they pulled up 3 weeks ago, according to him. Well, I'm not here to wash his dirty linen in the public, but I want us to understand how we arrived at this junction where we are having this press briefing. NDLEA has the mandate to take custody of suspects and consignments of drugs seized by other arms of law enforcement. And there is a standard protocol for such transfer. This will duly followed. The suspects and drugs were delivered to us on February 8th. But the last part of the process yet to be completed is the debriefing of Kyari himself. Gentlemen of the press, DCP Abba Kyari was invited by the NDLEA for a briefing on Thursday, February 10th, through two main channels, because there is a whole lot of questions begging for answers. The invitation was legitimate and formal according to our protocol. But up to the close of office hours on Friday, February 11th, he refused to respond. Up to this moment, he hasn't responded. We are a law-abiding agency of government. We follow due process. In that vein, we will not detain suspects beyond the stipulated period according to the law before we charge them to court. And hearing must be debriefed before the suspects are arraigned in court. Having failed to honor the official invitation, NDLEA has no option but to declare DCP Abba Kyari of the Nigerian police wanted right from this very moment. I must say this publicly, we are not unaware of threats to the lives of NDLEA officers involved in this investigation, even as we continue to do our best to protect our officers and men in the line of duty. We're making this strong statement to those contemplating harmful actions against NDLEA officers. They would only succeed in compounding their problems in the event of the murder or harm to officers and men of the NDLEA. Thank you. God bless you. Gentlemen, I would love to show you some hard facts, some hard evidence. Right?
We are on live to GTV Africa, live from NDLEA office. At this moment, there is going to be a video clip of evidence produced by the NDLEA. You are on live to GTV. Kindly share and let others follow. We are waiting the visual from NDLEA.
As you can see there, you will see that's actually the officer's car to deliver the money. So the money for the cocaine.
From all indication, that's Abba Kyari having conversation with an officer of NDLEA that is having conversation with in the vehicle. This is GTV Africa live from NDLEA office, and you are on live. Continue to share, make a comment. Your comment, that's $1 that can be seen, $1 right in the vehicle there. Yes, that's a pack of $1 being shared. That's Abba Kyari giving $1 to the man in the vehicle. You might not be able to hear the conversation of the officer of NDLEA, but the Abba Kyari's voice is very clear. The transaction between DCP Abba Kyari and officer of NDLEA on drug-related matters. You're on live to GTV Africa, live from NDLEA head office, where NDLEA is declaring Abba Kyari, DCP Abba Kyari, wanted for drug-related offenses, and evidence is being presented to the media through the screen in the office. That is the dollar presented, and it came down from the car.
You can see him after handing over the money, he proceeded to his own Land Cruiser Jeep then at the venue of this. Thank you, gentlemen. That's all.
Well, you are on live from NDLEA head office in Abuja.
Yeah, the entire is open. What? You want to play back? That particular spot. Okay, can you play back where he left his own vehicle? I mean, when he left the officer's vehicle and went to his own vehicle?
Well, a replay as was requested.
That's him leaving the officer's vehicle now.
Pause, please.
Yeah, that's him entering his own vehicle.
Return, please.
Return to where he is.
Return to where it comes from the car. Where that's Abba Kyari coming down from his car, heading to his own car. The car where, and then that's his own car. He's heading to his car from a marked or a used vehicle by a close range one. That was when he was about to enter the vehicle. You are on live to GTV Africa, live from NDLEA office, bringing to you breaking news from Abuja. Where it's so shocking to see this as it is unfolding.
Thank you, gentlemen. I think we'll go back to our program.
Well, you've just heard from the NDLEA spokesman who just gave
Thank you.